Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this episode of Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. Keith here. I've got something a little bit different planned for today. You can see the beautiful area that I'm in. I'm going to do a hike, a really nice hike, around 3 hours in total. So some 6 kilometers. So the scenery is supposed to be really nice. There's supposed to be some really cool views. So I'm going to do that. When I come back then, I'm just going to hang up with a campfire. So before I do any of that, I'm going to just head back to the campsite. I'm going to cook up some lunch, some early supper, and then we're going to get going with the hike. Anyway, that's going to take a bit, so I'm just going to get some of the rest of the stuff prepped there now before supper. 30 minutes later. So I had the potato on for 30 minutes, just going to check that. Whoa, it's a brand new barbecue. Not quite done yet. A little bit of butter on the pan. That's looking good. I'm just going to put away the mushrooms and onions for a little bit and start to put on the salmon. The corn's almost done, so I'm almost ready to eat, and then I got to get packed up quickly, get ready to go on the hike. So that was a really good supper, so I'm going to get going right now. I got to get changed. I want to make sure I'm changing some stuff more suitable for hiking. And time is of the essence because I want to make sure that I'm back from the trail while still daylight, so I can come back here now and get everything set up. Don't want to be on the trail too late. So let's get on the go. Time to get changed. So just taking a little breather right now. I've hiked up, as you can see, the trail is going right up the side of a mountain. So I'm just taking a little breather. It's quite the view up here, but I'm probably around 2/3 of the way. But it's quite the hike. So that's it. That's as far as I'm going to go. There's a couple other trail extensions here you can go on, some different vantage points, but that's as far as I'm going to go today. That's the end of this one trail, and then, like I say, there's different extensions you can go on if you want to see some different lookout points. Pretty neat. You can see by how far up I am from the Jeep when I pan down with the camera. It's not that it was that long of a distance, but just the elevation. So at least now on the way down should be a lot easier, and I'm going to head back now, relax by the campfire, and just enjoy camp for the rest of the day. Oh, downhill. That's the sight for sore eyes. Lots of frogs around here. So a great hike. The actual trail was only around 3 kilometers from the campsite, so no time to get back at all, just 3 or 4 minutes up the road. But yeah, like I said, it wasn't the longest hike I've ever been on, but just in terms of the elevation, it's pretty neat.